Tussin profile systems for windows, doors, conservatories and facades. Tussin Polymer is one of the leading producers of plastic profile systems at home in Germany, at hand in Europe and globally committed. Tussin Polymer, with its administration and production, is located in Bogen on the Danube. Plastics have been processed here for over 40 years. Our new factory in Hunderdorf has large areas for profile storage and dispatch. Since 1995, Tussin Polymer has been represented in the USA with a shareholding in Vinyl Building Products, one of the large American section manufacturers with the product name Vinyl Line, and works in Oakland, New Jersey and Little Rock, Arkansas. Modern construction means building with quality and energy saving in mind. Therefore, every type and size of building is equipped with Tussin technology. High-quality durable building units are created in collaboration with qualified industrial specialists. For new and old buildings, for single-family homes or conservatories, for administration and industrial buildings. Plastic-framed windows guarantee home comfort. They are easy and convenient to operate. They are attractive and weatherproof. They fulfill the highest standards with regard to sound and heat insulation, and last not least, with regard to the environment. Products which are processed with such precision function reliably even after years and decades of use. Tussin profiles are manufactured in line with demanding technology. They are branded products of renowned and valued quality. Profile production. How is a window profile made? Pulverized PVC passes into the processing plants from large silos. According to exact compounding and computer programmed, the basic substance is mixed with its components. In this way, key material properties are determined. On numerous production lines, the synthetic mixture is extruded, i.e. melted and formed into one continuous rod. This procedure is also subject to continuous electronic control. Our plants operate continuously. Pressure, temperature, speed, all parameters are kept constant. The plastic mass is pressed through the die and thus adopts its predetermined form. The continuous profile rod is cooled and hardened at subsequent production stations. The product is given its name. Important product data are embossed into the profile. This is part of our quality guarantee. Protective tape is applied to both sides of the profile so that it arrives at the customer in perfect condition. Now the continuous profile rod is cut into commercially available lengths. A stacking device lifts the finished parts. The goods are ready to be shipped to our customers. Extra performance for the processor. The profile is equipped with a gasket. Here, recycling in compliance with contemporary requirements is carried out. Secondary material ground into granules is reintroduced into the production process. This is environmentally friendly recycling without impairment to quality. The fabricated profile is given a perfect white surface of A1 material. In this way, old and new is combined via intelligent technology. Tool manufacture. In-house tool manufacture has tradition at Thyssen Polymer. Tool precision is a prerequisite for profile quality. People who work with plastic must be able to work with steel. The profile form is worked into a stainless steel block. The ribs and hollows cleverly give the profile form and stability at a later point. Each profile requires its own tool, manufactured for many thousands of meters of constant precision. Quality assurance. Plastic in powder form is our raw material. Our quality assurance starts with incoming goods control. Chemical and physical properties are checked. We check the finished profile just as thoroughly. Are color values right? Are measurements right? All measured variables are gauged by a specially designed optical unit, primarily for immediate control, but also for statistical assessment, so consequently for long-term product quality surveillance. An impact pendulum tests so-called PVC impact resistance. A close microscopic examination is made of the result. We also want to know how strong a profile corner joint is. Hence, we subject it to a load test up to breaking point. The profile corner breaks, but only far above the standard load. The finished window must also prove on the test stand that it is of Thyssen quality. Thyssen profiles are quality marked in Germany and internationally. Everywhere in Europe where there are quality standards for plastic framed windows, our profiles carry the quality mark of authorized special institutions. This confirms a stringent quality assurance which is effected on our own premises. Application technology and development. Window profiles can be designed in a variety of different ways. In accordance with top technical standards, we design, calculate and construct until we have arrived at the best solution. The computer displays each result exactly and clearly. Architecture via computer. Specially developed software enables advanced planning of subsequent assembly. A great aid for specialist businesses processing Thyssen profiles. They can reliably execute what has previously been displayed true to scale on the computer screen. The profile range. Thyssen has the complete range. From the standard window to large facades, manufacturers have the choice between two profile systems, double seal system flush and offset. Or the center seal system MD100, also in flush and offset. Both systems are available in attractive decorative surfaces. And here are our special systems. The system for refurbishment by covering old frames. The sliding window system. Slatted roller shutters in 3 sizes respectively, for old buildings, for new buildings with increased heat insulation insert. The front door system for doors with the highest standard of safety and stability. The sliding door system for large surface openings, for example between living quarters and terrace. Special functions call for special designs. Wall and roof components join at an oblique angle. With facade systems, plastic, glass and metal combine to form composite constructions. Profile systems for international markets. Other customs prevail in other countries, also in window design. Here is a model for building in the Netherlands. Here is our variable angular adjustment for bay windows made in England. The window with the extra high frame for tradition-conscious building in Switzerland. Profile systems for American building models. Double hung window system and single hung window system. Casement window system. Sliding door system. And swing door system. Window production. Tussin windows are made in collaboration between industry and trade. What we produce on our extrusion lines 24 hours a day is delivered as valuable goods by the meter to specialist window firms. Here, Tussin profiles are made into finished components, in series or singly, fully in line with customer specifications. It begins with a precise pre-cut, either manually or largely automated. Any cuttings are reintroduced into an organized materials cycle. A joint initiative on the part of renowned German section manufacturers has ensured that PVC waste is recycled. At the next production station, draining outlets are drilled. Now the four frame components can be assembled and welded. Technical progress also ensures efficient and safe working. In window production, PVC proves to be an extremely assembly convenient material. The frame has been assembled. Now only the welding flash has to be removed. The next stage of operation is attaching the fittings. Then the glass is collected from the storage. Modern storage and shipment techniques allow swift, safe and convenient handling, above all with large series production. The ordered pane is transported to the assembly line. The window is finished and is shipped to storage, but not without the test for precise opening and closing. Optional special colors. Tussin profiles are not only laminated in color, but are also lacquered in all possible colors, thus staying permanently weatherproof. Building with plastics is therefore functional, elegant and colorful. Good planning, good building, good living comfort. Tussin profile systems offer perfected technology for state-of-the-art living comfort. This is already reflected in the entrance area. The architect can elegantly combine protective aspects with inviting outlay. Whether detached house or housing estate, attractive windows are an integral part of one's private living quarters. Windows with their color and varying forms can add structure and life to facades. Plastic, the modern building material for windows, is ideally compatible with old built materials. The streamlined profiles blend elegantly into historic facades. The windows adopt old forms again and at the same time provide contemporary technical comfort. Modern office and industrial buildings are erected functionally but designed with pep. Large space windows let in light and air, creating a residential atmosphere at the workplace. Every building benefits from new windows. Close-up view, mid-view, and lofty view. People who live in glass houses get more out of life. Winter gardens are becoming increasingly popular as extensions or as detached pavilions. A lot of attractive facilities are being built with Tuscan profiles. Everything that has made its mark with windows, doors and winter gardens is being increasingly used for designing facades. A lot of glass and light, highly valued for entrance halls and exhibition rooms. The window becomes a wall section, spaciously proportioned, however, with favourable heat insulation. In combination with glass and steel, Tuscan profiles give the building its light character and inviting exterior. Making walls transparent, state-of-the-art plastics technology offers new possibilities. International reference property. Tuscan windows also treasured abroad. In Switzerland, with traditional window shutters, and as a modern contrast, the spaciously designed apartment house. Traditional and modern building in France too. Popular in England, the typical bay window. This Dutch residential block offers an excellent view. An elegant glass facade in a Spanish restaurant. A villa in Greece in classic white. And just across the Atlantic to one of the biggest sports hotels in Canada. 1,800 Tuscan windows bring comfort to the Rocky Mountains. Horizontal and vertical sash windows are a part of the American lifestyle, presented here by our partners Vinyl Building Products. Representative building methods in Singapore. The windows contribute towards the spacious appearance of the house. Everywhere, Tuscan windows symbolize state-of-the-art technology, the ultimate in material, processing, and design. Tuscan Polymer, the name for top-quality construction and comfortable living, at home and abroad.